Hi everyone, I am Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary and again I am back with a new Excel function that is called standard deviation. A standard deviation function in Excel is being used to calculate the standard deviation of a set of values. A standard deviation is a measure of how spread out the values in a data set are around the mean. Let's learn how standard deviation function works. So standard deviation syntax is like, first select the cell where you want the result and then start the syntax like equals to STDEV standard deviation bracket start, and now it's asking for a number 1, number 2, it's asking for a range, so select the entire range and close the bracket and hit the enter. You will get the standard deviation as 22.93.757 is a standard deviation of this entire data. Now remember that in Excel there are two versions of standard deviation function. One is STDEV.S, another one is STDEV.P. So STDEV.S is being used when your data set represents a sample of the population, while STDEV.P is being used when your data set represents the entire population. So hope you guys enjoy this learning and will use this function at your day-to-day work at your workplace. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, likes and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.